Alright y'all, so we're just gonna jump right into this video. I am super duper excited for this video just because I have some new products to share with you guys, and I've just been so in love with my skincare routine lately. So without further ado, we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so that way y'all can get close and personal with my skin. I think I need to grab a scrunchie to pull my hair back. Oh, and look at that, handy dandy. Alright, so I'm just gonna scrunch my hair out the way so we can get into this skin. And today I'm going to be using the Neutrogena y'all, this word is so wrong, Microdermabrasion, I feel like that's how you say it, system. On the box it says today softer, more luminous skin, tomorrow firmer, younger looking skin. I have been using this brush itself for about, I want to say, a year or two. It's been a while. I've been using it ever since I've been in college, but I lost my brush. So I just got a new brush today, and here's some of the facts on the back. I have never had any problems with this brush. You can buy the actual refills themselves, and I'm actually going to show y'all. The only thing I did was open the box, so opening it here for you guys. And oh, look at that. They done included some batteries, y'all. You know, most things, they don't include the batteries. So it comes with two, are these AA? I think these are AA. Doesn't say, but it comes with two batteries. And then you get the brush itself. This is how it looks. It just has a switch that you slide up, and that's what's going to turn it on. When you push it up, it's going to turn on, and then down to turn off. And lastly, it does come with a pack of the Microdermabrasion. Oh my goodness. Comes with the little pads, and oh! Y'all! There's no pads in here! Oh no, see, I think I might have to go back to the store because who done took the pads out the daggone box? I'm not lying. Y'all saw me open this box. Ain't no pads in there. Okay, well, I'm shook. I don't know what to do right now. Do I take it back to the store and get them to give me another? I feel like I should, because why are they missing? Like, there's nothing in there. But then they're gonna have the batteries in there. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, so I am back. I have a brand new box. I just went to the store because, you guys, that was really weird. But anyway, so I just wanted to show y'all, like, I just opened this brand new box and the pads are inside. All right, y'all, so I have my batteries inside. I'm just gonna place the cap on top of the brush, and I'm going to grab me one of the pads outside of the box. I'm going to take the pad and just place it right on top. Press it down. And it just vibrates. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's just vibrating. I turned it up, and you just turn it up, turn it down, just like that. Alright y'all, so normally what I do is I go ahead and take a washcloth and wash my face with soap and water. I already did that, so now I'm going to be using the Beauty 360 Fresh and Bright Mandarin Pink Lemon Facial Scrub. And this is going to help exfoliate my skin and give me a nice deep clean. I did purchase this from CVS, but I will leave a link down below in the description box so that way you can get your hands on this. I am going to leave a link in the description box below to all of the products and tools that I use in this video, so definitely make sure that you check that out. And you do not need a lot. A little bit of this product does go a long way, but I just want y'all to see, hopefully it shows, that there's actually, y'all can't tell, but those pink little specks are like the exfoliating beads. And I love, let me get back in focus. And I just love how it smells. Like, you can definitely smell the mandarin. I don't know, this looks like a watermelon. Okay, I guess that's what's a mandarin, but you can definitely smell. It definitely smells amazing. So I'm just gonna place some on my forehead. Oh my gosh, I'm being so backwards. I keep forgetting I have the brush. Alright, so I'm gonna just leave that there and take the rest that I have on my face. But typically, if I was washing with my face, I would go ahead and put it on my face and use my hands. I literally just forgot that quick. I have my brush, y'all. But if you are using the brush, I'm not going to put a lot just because I do have a lot going on. But I'm just going to squirt a little bit on the brush. I like to use warm to hot water just because hot water does kill germs and bacteria instead of cold water. So I'm going to be using warm water on my face. And I just put a little bit just so that way I can get it nice and sudsed up. I didn't want to actually run it off the brush. And I'm just going to turn it on and begin massaging it into my face. And I'm also going in an upward motion. And now I'm just going to take my washcloth with some warm water and I'm just going to begin wiping in an upward motion, still wiping the product off of my face. Like I said, it is face mask day, so today's face mask is also from CVS. I'm going to be using the Pomegranate and Lime Brightening Gel Face Mask. And it also says it's supposed to exfoliate and nourish my skin. I try to stay away from like over exfoliating, but I mean, it is what it is. But today I am going to be using this product. It does say that it has glycerin in it, betaine, lime, fruit oil, fruit extract, citrus, lime oil, what else? Fragrance, absorbic acidic, and some other things that I cannot pronounce. But it says your skin should be either very brightening with this. It has antioxidant rich pomegranate and lime extracts that will delight both the skin and the senses. So y'all already know I love me some smell good products. And it's going to have brightening effects and fresh fragrance. And you think that you found summer at your fingertips. So let's see if I got summer at my fingertips. And I'm just going to get some of that on my finger. Oh, it's very thick. I like the consistency. I like how it's not runny. I'm just going to begin placing that on my cheeks and smoothing that out. Ooh. It definitely smells good. And I love how smooth it's going on. It kind of reminds me of like baby oil in a sense. Oh, it did say to wait 10 to 15 minutes. It's currently 1:17, so I'm gonna wait about, I'm gonna try to wait till 1:27. But like I said, it is giving me a warming effect. Like it does feel warm around my nose and on my cheeks. So if I feel like it's doing too much, I'm definitely just gonna rinse it right off. But I'm just gonna rinse my hands, clean my hands again real quick, and see what's going on with my face mask. Y'all, it's dripping off my lip. It's dripping into my lip. I don't like that. Okay, I don't know what it's doing. It's feeling like it's melting. Like it's feel like it's melting. Like I feel like I'm sweating. I don't know. I'm just gonna wash it off. I had 3 more minutes to go to make my 10 minutes, but at this point it done dripped into my mouth. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna wipe this all off my face. I mean, it smells good, but I don't know why it's dripping like that. I'm not feeling that. Alright y'all, so this is what my skin is looking like. I have my pores nice and open, nice and clean. I definitely can say my face does look a little brighter It does look a little brighter, especially like around my cheeks and my nose. I know the camera is making me look light in general, but y'all, in person, my skin in the T-zone area does look a lot brighter. It definitely feels a lot cleaner. I still have a little bit of specks of those white stuff everywhere, but I think if I take a clean washcloth and wipe my face, I'll be good. But I'm not gonna worry about it. But last but not least, I'm going to moisturize my skin with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. I love using this product. I love it because it not only moisturizes my skin throughout the whole entire day, but it also gives my skin a nice natural glow. So I'm gonna apply that as my moisturizer today. I typically do use this one every day, and I like it as an all over the body type of moisturizer as well. But I do use other moisturizers, but this is like one of my favorites. And of course I am going to link this down below. I'm just going to take a little bit. You don't need a lot of this product. And I'm just going to place this all over my face. Like all over my face. And down my neck as well. Like y'all, do y'all see that instant glow? And I know because it's cocoa butter, but y'all, like this, I have this shine, and it gets a little bit more subtle throughout the day, but I have this nice glowy shine from this product throughout the whole entire day, and that's why I love using it. Because I've also noticed, like for me, coming out of the winter time, I have really dry skin. Like my skin gets dry so much quicker now, and I don't know why, but this has really brought me back and saved my skin, y'all. So definitely make sure you check this out in the description box. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna rate this skin routine a 10 out of 10. Not because it's my routine, but also because the products were amazing. But overall, definitely make sure you check out that description box down below so that way you can get your hands on these products. I'm telling you guys, summer is on the way. We need nice, glowing, healthy skin. So definitely make sure that you do your research on your skin, get you a nice good skin regimen, and take care of that skin, y'all, because it's gonna take care of you. I'm trying to tell y'all. But y'all definitely make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below of what you guys thought about this video. What product was your favorite? Also, let me know in the description box what products that you guys use for your daily skincare routines. And also, don't forget to check out the video on this twist out. I will link that in the video as well. But most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, blessed, and poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.